Alright, next part to draw will be the pink parts, which are 170 long, 30 millimeters wide, and it's 12 millimeters thick. We've got a radius at the top and a circular hole in the middle. We've got a cutout to match that cutout. Let's get back to Fusion. Create sketch. We'll click on this plane this time. Rectangle tool. Try not to touch anything else. This should be 170. Tab. What was it? 30. Press enter. Now before I stop sketch, we're going to do the rounded top here. So to do that, we're going to use what's called the fillet tool. So there it is there under the sketch menu, fillet, and notice how we get that fillet there. So we need to get to the corner and see that little red fillet there. So click, and we're going to adjust this size to 15, which is half the width. Press enter. That's set that. Let's do that again for the opposite corner. Fillet. In the corner. Change it to 15. Press enter. I'm also going to do that circular hole right now. So, circle, center diameter circle, or C on the keyboard. Click that. Got to make sure that our circle starts in the center there. We know it's the center because we get that little circle and there's a point there. So don't click anywhere else. Click there. Let's adjust that. It should be six. Hang on. It's a radius of 6. The diameter should be 12. So we can edit that. Double click, change that to 12. Press enter. That looks better. We'll stop that sketch. I'll change the view a little and we'll extrude. This time we don't need to include that, but only that outside. Don't include that center part there. Only include that outside part. This should be 12. Must say new body. Click OK. Right, new sketch. This is for the cutout. So click on that surface. Rectangle tool. Start in the corner. Tab to the next size and make that 41. So it should say 41 by 30. Press enter and we can stop sketch. And we'll extrude. This one, it's half the thickness, so it's going to be 6, but we type -6. The operation should be cut. Click OK. Let's make a copy of this. Under Modify, Move Copy. We'll click our body, put the tick in Create Copy, and let's move this across. And we can click OK.